What's up, traders? This is Billy Face, your mentor, and I'm fully back again. So I just funded $42. Let's flip it. Let's flip it, guys. Let's flip it. Okay, so my first trade for today is gold. I'm buying gold. So I want to rush quickly and buy it before I explain the reason why I buy it. Alright, so I just bought gold, guys. I just bought gold. So I just bought gold. So looking at gold, we can see clearly gold is in an uptrend. We can see it clearly, alright. So you can see my divergence, how I spotted it and everything. Gold is in a serious buy right now. Alright, so the USA news is affecting gold, and you see where affects took my buy and then it went up. So now I'm taking this second buy because of this minor resistance on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I already bought, I sent out the signal, we made huge profit, but I'm buying another time again right now. So I'm entering my buys right now, guys. So and I expect it to fly to the upside. Okay, so I expect it to fly to the upside. I have only $42 on this account, so let's risk it and see what's going to happen, guys. When it goes up, we add more. So guys, we back again. We up over $500. This is massive, guys. Look at what happened. I told you guys. I told you. Look at what happened, guys. So immediately it started going up here. So I added few positions because I just know it's going to skyrocket. I knew it because of the news going on right now. So we are up $500. So let's close it. Let's close it up ASAP. So we are good. We are good. Let's close it up, guys. Let's close it up. So guys, quickly we took the account to $529.29 right now. This is sweet. This is very sweet, guys. My body is sweeting me right now. My body is sweeting me. Okay, so we are up over $500. So look at what happened now. This is sweet. This is very, very sweet. So immediately we entered our trade on the zone, on the minor zone. It just went up. So normally when the market is very volatile, minor zones used to work. Okay, so we use it to stack up trades. You understand? So I already flipped an account today with the previous zone. So that is why I didn't use anyone. Okay. So guys, we are back again. This is another new setup. This is another new setup. As we can see, gold is still on a very strong uptrend. So due to the tariff war between America and China, so the gold market is just flying. So I have a new setup. Let's buy. Then I will explain. Okay, so guys, I just took two trades. Now I'm adding more, guys. I'm adding more because I expect it to just fly immediately. Okay, so I expect it to fly immediately. So look at what is happening here. So I have this demand zone. So on the 1 minute time frame, we can see it have rejected already. It have reacted, and right now immediately as we enter this trade, the market is reacting to this trade already. You understand? So I expect the market to just boom. Guys, we are up over $3,000 right now. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys what happened. Okay, so I was showing you guys when it started going up immediately, right? So guys, immediately as we enter, like it just started going up. You can see it, no drawdown. So I when it went up, I added more position. Alright, so it went up, it came down. Then when it started going up the second time here, that is when I added more position, and then you can see no single drawdown at all. Like there's no drawdown, no drawdown at all. So we are up, we are up over 3,000 right now. So guys, we have finished closing our trades and we are up 3237.69, so over $3,000 profit. So I still need more profit because I want to do a giveaway. So I want to do a giveaway of about $1,000. So I need more profit on this account. So let's go and do just one more trade and then flip this account to a huge number. So this is see what happened that we took the account to 3K. So it's very sweet, it's sweet. So that is why I want to still like do one more trade on this account. Okay, let's go and do like one more trade, then we are good to go. So guys, we have a new trade setup here on the on gold. Right, so let's first buy and then we'll do the analysis now. So guys, gold, we can see it's still in a very strong uptrend. Gold is still in a very strong uptrend right now. So and we have this demand area right now. We have this demand area right now, and then we have news also. So because of that, we are going to be buying gold. We are going to be buying gold. So we already bought one. So we want it to react. So then when it starts going up, we enter more. So it's going. It's gold is in a little drawdown right now. So we want it to start going up. We want it to start going up before we can start adding more positions. All right. So we want to make sure. Boom, guys. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive. We are up $30K right now. So look at what happened. It just went in a little drawdown, so then it went up. After it went up, it came into drawdown again. Like the market retraced. Then when going up, we added more position. Look at it, guys. You can see. So it went up, it then came to our entry. Then when it started going up, that was when we added more position. All right, because I know if it retests one time, it's not going to come back again. So guys, we have closed our trade. So we managed to close with $28,467.29. Right, so guys, our final balance is $28,467.29. So guys, we can see this is the trade that happened, and we took the account to that amount. So I closed that because of this. I closed the trade because of this. There's a minor resistance around this level here. So so I just closed the trade. Okay, so guys, the only broker that will allow you to do this is XNET broker using the unlimited leverage. So I'm going to be dropping the link to register under the video description. Also, I'm going to be doing a $1,000 giveaway out of this money. So I'm going to be picking the winner from under this comment section, and also I'm going to be flipping some student accounts this period. Okay, so if you want me to flip your account for you totally for free, then you let me know on the comment section. All right. Thank you guys for watching. So make sure to smash like button, subscribe to the channel. All right, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.